everyone, Tiffany again. Today we're going to the marketplace and we're visiting the leather working shop. And our scripture for today is "And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God." Romans 12:2. After our leather working station, we will be going on a journey to Rome, St. Peter's Square with Anthony, and get hands-on at Explorers Children's Museum. So for our kit today, you should have the bracelet, some string, and then 4 or 5 shapes. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take your string and your shapes and you're just gonna feed it through your ribbon to make a bracelet. So I'll give you some time to go ahead and do that. And when you're feeding your ribbon through, you want to go in one hole one way and then go back through it the other way. So the first one should look like that. And then you can go ahead and pull the string all the way through, or almost all the way. You want to leave a little bit of space so you can make your bracelet and tie it in the end. And then you can go ahead and take a shape, line it up with the holes, and feed your string through again. So when you're done with the first shape, it should look like this. You can go ahead and grab another one. It doesn't matter what shape you use. And that's your second shape. You can go ahead and grab another one. And that should be 3. Then you should have one more. So your bracelet should look like this in the end. I left the front or the beginning and the end without shapes just so it's easier for me to tie. You can make yours any way that you want to. So in the end, it should look like this. If you have someone with you, you can ask them to tie this bracelet on for you. If you're by yourself like me, you can go ahead and just set it on the table and kind of wrap it around yourself. You want to double knot it just to make sure it stays secure. And then in the end, you should have your leather bracelet.